Okay, so this is Lucille, and we're going to look at the riff. We're doing it in C, so we're just going to look at the first riff. The fingers that you use, you can choose which fingers you want to use. There is a reason why I finger this a certain way. So it starts off here at the 8th fret, 2 notes there. I use my first finger on the 7th fret of the A string, 10th on the A with my pinky. Then instead of using my second finger for D string at the 8th fret, instead of doing that, what I do is I substitute it. I play it with my first finger, and there's a reason for that, because the next 3 notes go 8, 10, 8, and the second finger's got to come back over here to hit the 8th fret on the E string. So of course if it was tied up there, I'd have to hop over like that. So for me, I go back over like that. Okay, and I'll put that together so you can see it. So